Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2003 100th anniversary edition Harley-Davidson V-ROD. We're going to take a walk around this bike and we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This special edition 2003 100th anniversary is super clean. It's got very few marks on it and is in very good condition. As you can see, it comes with a passenger backrest. This bike is belt drive. It does have a new front tire on it. We do have a couple of marks on this bike. We've got one down low here. See right on the bottom of the air dam. '100th anniversary badge. And then you can see down here, there's a little mark on the bottom of the pipes there. And a little crack in the back fender here. And that was done by the previous owner backing it out of the garage and catching it on something. And then here's a shot of that belt drive and the new back tire also. There's a shot of the mileage, 10,297. This Harley has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty and a lifetime discount on parts and labor. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.